for playing Battlefield Mobile, you need to download this application from your Google Chrome or any browser you have. Simply go on the Google and search for taptap.io. Click on that. After clicking on that, you will see a download button. You need to click on it. We are going to install this application. Now it's completely installed. Click on it and install this application. It's a best application for games, apps and many more. You can easily access it. We are going to pre-register this game, as this game is not available in many countries, so you might be not seeing this on your Play Store. So you need tap to pre-register this game. So we are doing that. Now click and open this application. Here is the main step, guys. Don't skip the video and give a like to this video for more engaging content like this. So we are going to click on cancel. After clicking on that, we are going to the search option, and here we are going to type Battlefield Mobile, or you can simply type in Battlefield and click on the search bar. Here you can see a all tab. We are not going in here, we are going on games tab, so simply click on games tab. Here on third position you can see Battlefield Mobile. Click on it and there you go. You can pre-register on it, but before pre-registering on this game, you need to create an account or log in via your Google or your email ID. So you are going to log in. Now I have logged in, and now I am going to click on pre-register. So this game has successfully pre-registered on my account or my Google device. I can play it later when it will come. So thanks for watching this video.